pickup truck. Gaga, boom, boom. And this is and this very expensive. He's going through the desert. This is 220, and this is 2 pickup car going through the desert. This is 3 pickup car going through the desert. It's one wheel. This is 4 pickup car, and it's a big engine, and this is 5 pickup car. Has the big, and it has super speed. This is lamb, and this is red car, and it has super speed. It's very expensive. It's $1,500,000. And this is car in the desert, and it's very expensive, but it's not the desert, it's the red desert. Wait, look at red desert. And this is white car going through the orange desert. This is super speed, and the inside so luxurious and fancy, like the car that like a fancy car, and it's circling around, and it's like a great white shark and a hammerhead shark. This is white car circling a red car. And it's circling again. It's doing it fast because this is white car going through the desert road. This is white car.
Pickup truck.
It's white pickup truck, and it's going through the desert. This is green pickup truck. It's going so fast in the desert, I cannot laugh. This is red pickup car, and it's going fast too, and I cannot laugh either. It's white pickup truck, and it's going through the desert. This is white pickup truck, and it's racing. And it needs to rain because he's so poor. If he wins, he'll get $1,100,000. This is so poor. That means he should win. And he's not winning. And how are you gonna get the dollars? How? The engineers know. This is going through the mountain, and this is going through the bigger mountain. And this is white pickup truck going through the desert. White pickup truck, and it's going through the desert so fast, and I cannot laugh anymore. This is black pickup.